first, so that we can have consensus on how to conduct this course for this semester, and some requirement I need to do this course. And then we will move to the first session for this semester, the first topic. Okay. Okay. How to operate on this? Here. Here. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. This is the course for Introduction to Construction Health, Safety, and Environment Management. Okay, this is class for spring 2025. I hope you all in the correct classroom. And I'm the professor instructor for this class. My name is Wen-der. I'm the professor for construction management for this department. So I teach construction management, and my specialty is in project management. And sometimes I also do research on construction safety management. So this is my field. But actually, this is the first time for me to teach this course. I haven't taught this course before, but I participated in a lot of safety management activities, including in the research project and also in practice. So I serve as the assessor for the best practice award for construction safety management for public construction project of Taiwan. We have a national award for safety management. We call Golden Safety Award for construction project, and I have served as assessor or evaluator for that award for almost 10 years already. So I know everything about safety management, safety, health, and environment management. However, I haven't taught this course before. So I have a lot of materials, but in Chinese. So I have to translate those materials into English for you. So you will see that in Trunclass, you all know how to use Trunclass already, right? Yes. Yeah. I can only upload the PowerPoint file 1 week before the class because I have to translate those materials into English. Okay. Okay. So today I will do 2 parts. The first part I will go through the syllabus very quickly, so that we can have agreement on how to conduct this course in this semester. Then we will move to the first topic for this semester. Okay? So let's do the syllabus first. And this is the outline for the syllabus. I have the course objective for this class and the topics I want to cover in this semesters. And there are some pre-requirements for this course, and the instruction method I'm going to use, and the text and reference book for this course, and also the schedule I planned for this class. And the important part is grading policy, okay? And also there are something you need to know, okay, for attending this course, okay? And let's skip the video, watch this time, okay? And the course objectives. I have 4 objectives to achieve in this course. The first one is that I hope you all understand the legal regulation and health awareness related to construction health, safety, and the environment management. Okay. And secondly, I also want you to learn practical management method related to HSE in construction engineering. I think all of you will do the internship with Earth Power, right? Yeah. So you need to know some practical knowledge on how HSE management is in practice. So the second part, I will teach this. And the third, I also want you to foster a sense of mission among construction professionals to care about HSE. All of you will become a construction engineer in the future. So at this moment, you need to cultivate the sense of caring about HSE, okay? Because it's important not only for you, for the environment, for the society, and also for the company, okay? Finally, in this class, I also will teach some fundamental knowledge for professional certification of HSE personnel, okay? Just taking this class is not enough, but it is a very good start for you to know about what HSE management is, okay? If you want to get professional certification in the future. Okay, so there are some topics I want to cover in this semester. I divided those topics into 3 parts. The first part is the fundamentals of HSE management, okay? Or HSE means health, safety, and environment management, okay? And the second part is practical topics. The third part is the best practice case studies, okay? And since this is the first time for me to teach this course, so I don't quite sure how quick we can move on from one topic to another. So this is the topic I plan to cover, okay? So I will talk about every topic, but may not spend the whole session to cover one topic, okay? For example, today we are going to introduce the construction HSE management system in Taiwan, okay, here for construction industry. And secondly, next week we will move to the HSE laws, regulation, and specifications. This is very important because HSE management is very localized, okay, which means that the practice of HSE management in Taiwan may be different, quite different from those in Indonesia or other countries. However, we all follow some principles or some philosophies, and those principles and philosophies are very important. And Taiwan, the system here in Taiwan, basically follow the system in United Kingdom. So I think that's quite international standards. So if you learn the regulation of HSE management here in Taiwan, I think it's quite common with those standards you follow in Indonesia, okay? And then we will move to the organizational HSE policy and human resources management. And because HSE management needs to be done by employees and staffs. So the organization should have HSE policy and should invest human resources on HSE management. And then we will move to an important topic, which is called source management for construction risk. Okay, in practice, we implement through so-called construction risk assessment, CRA. So CRA is the method we use here to implement the construction risk source management. And we will talk about how international perspective is and how it is implemented here in Taiwan. Okay. And then we will talk about money. Okay. To do HSE management, we need resources, and one important resource is money, because the facility, the devices we need to protect the construction workers will need cost. Okay. And also the system, the management system, also need some budget. So how to plan reasonable budget for HSE management is also important to ensure the success implementation of HSE management. Okay, and then we will move to HSE management planning, which means the HSE plan. We plan for safety, plan for environment management. So how to draft a plan for a project to implement HSE management will be discussed on this topic. And then finally, we will move to the audit and systematic evaluation of HSE performance for an organization. Okay. And this is basically the fundamentals of HSE management. Okay. And the things you are going to do internship, I think next year, right? So what you need to know are some practical knowledge you will use in the construction site, on the construction site. So these are also important practical topics you need to know. First one is the contracting type and the related construction risk. The second one is the procedure for construction safety management. The third one is the hazard prevention and safety facility. And final one is the major accident type and how to prevent them. Okay. And if everything goes smoothly, we move one topic to another very quickly. Then we will come to the last part, the best practice case study. Here, I will show you. I will select the most representative case study for the Golden Safety Award for construction projects in Taiwan as a case for you to learn from the best practice of construction safety management in Taiwan. Okay. Okay. There are no pre-requirements for this class. However, since you are going to do CRA, construction risk assessment, and if you want to do CRA, you need to know how to break down wood structure, and you need to know the construction process. So you have better to have some background of construction management and the construction method. Tell me, how many of you have the background of construction management here? Construction management. Have you done scheduling? No. Work breakdown structure? No. Okay. No.
Last semester we have construction management.
Estimate.
Management.
Construction management.
Yeah.
You have construction management course?
All of us in the first semester.
First semester already.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I think you have some background for this. How about the construction method? Construction equipment and method? No?
No.
Oh. Okay, that's all right. Okay, let's learn it in this class. Okay. And the teaching method, I will do lecturing in most part of this semesters, and I will assign homeworks to you. Maybe the first homework will be issued next week. So I need to do grouping, okay? And I require at most 2 members in one group. So you have 10, right? 10 or
Actually,
per.
we have 23.
23?
Yeah, including the new student.
Right. In the rest part I will discuss with them how to do the grouping. But for this part, this class, we can have 5 teams. Okay, so during the break, I wish you give me the name who will be team up with as a group. Okay, tell me. And discussion. What?
I think better the teacher will arrange the team.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
If I arrange, I will do random selection.
Yeah,
Oh,
problem.
no problem. That's good. Good. Okay. Okay, homework will be turned in by the team. Okay, but the discussion and the pub quiz will be done by individual students. Okay. And for best practice discussion, will also be done by group. So if I ask you to present your thought on the case study, then both of you, the team members, should come up and present the case study. Okay. And there will be no textbook for this class because there are so many materials to be covered. So it's impossible to assign a textbook. Especially, you need to understand the context of Taiwan construction industry. So I prepare the PowerPoint handout for you. However, there are some useful reference, and most of the reference are online resources. So I provide the website here. You can check it out for your own. Okay. Okay, this is the schedule for the semester for this class, and this is the plan progress. Okay, the plan topic I want to cover in each week. So this week we cover the first topic, introduction to construction HSE management. Okay, and then we will move to regulation and laws. I think based on the material I have collected, it will take 2 weeks to finish the HSE regulation and laws. And then we will move to the framework of HSE management system in Taiwan. We will go through from the owner part to the designer, to the project manager, to the supervision unit, and then to the contract side. So we will cover all parties of the construction project and what the roles, what the responsibility, and what they do in the practice for construction safety, health, and environment management. And then we will have the midterm exam here. We have midterm exam on April 14. And midterm exam and final exam are comprehensive written exam. I will give you multiple choice and also the essay Q&A. Okay. And we also have pub quiz. And today we'll have a pub quiz already. So the question of pub quiz will also show up in the midterm exam. So it's kind of a rehearsal for you to practice on how the exam problem will look like. Okay, so you can get familiar with the type and the difficulty of the question. Okay, and we will cover the practical topic after I finish the basic fundamental part of HSE. And these topics are the materials provided by OSHA of Taiwan, called TOSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration. So it's quite practical. You can see what's the hazard on construction site, what the accident type, what's the correct installation of protection facility for the construction site, and what's the correct wear is of personal protection equipment, the PPE. So on this topic, I will show you the most useful and practical knowledge you need to have before you go to a construction site. Okay, and final part is the case study for the Golden Safety Award of construction project in Taiwan. And usually we have the so-called complimentary week for the last week, and based on my experience, usually this week is used for retake of final exam for students who fail the final exam. Okay, I hope you don't need to take this this exam. Okay, so that's the schedule for the class. Do you have any comment on the schedule? This is just for plan because this is the first time I teach this course. So let's see how it goes. And the grading policy. Okay, I divide the grade for this course evenly into 5 components. The first part is midterm exam. It counts for 20%. Final exam counts for 20%. Pop quiz. Today you will have pop quiz. And each one counts for 2%. And lump sum, they combine to be 20%. And homework for 20%, and the class participation for 20%. Okay, so how to count class participation? Today we have a signature from you, and from next week on, we will we have a sign-in 点名系统. Okay, do you know how to operate on this sign-in system? Yes. Yes, good. Let's practice. Okay. Let's practice how to sign. Yeah, let's, sign system. Okay, let's do the number signing. 26, 28. Okay, you can sign now. Okay. It's working, yeah. Good. 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 So the class participation is based on the statistics of the sign-in records in the class. So and also the participation with the discussion. So I will give you some discussion topic in the trunk class. You can submit your opinions on the system. Okay. And we will do grouping, teaming 2 members in 1 group. The homework will be assigned to the group, but the pop quiz and the discussion will be done by individual students. Okay, so we'll have a trunk class discussion. Okay, and leave policy. Okay, you can leave, ask for leave if you can attend the class, but only when you do this, you have to ask for leave in writing in advance. Which means that if you are sick, you can ask your other classmates to tell me, but you have to write email, okay, or send message. Okay, anyhow, in writing, in written, because I cannot remember everyone. If you come to me and saying that I want to ask for leave, I always forget. So that's why I have to ask you to ask for leave by writing. Okay? Okay, so that's all for the syllabus part, because in